Welcome to the Ultimate Review. Looking for a reliable freezer that performs well in changing temperatures and keeps your food safely stored year-round? Best Chest Freezer for Garage options offer excellent storage capacity, energy efficiency, and dependable performance, helping you organize frozen foods while maximizing convenience and long-term value. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Midea MERC07C4BAWW Chest Freezer. The Midea MERC07C4BAWW Chest Freezer is a practical choice for households that need extra food storage without sacrificing flexibility. Its large-capacity interior provides plenty of room for frozen meats, vegetables, prepared meals, and bulk grocery purchases, making it especially useful for families of 4 or more. One of its standout features is the convertible design, allowing users to switch between freezer and refrigerator modes depending on seasonal needs or changing storage requirements, making it suitable for garages, basements, and utility rooms. During unexpected power outages, the unit can keep food frozen for up to 48 hours, helping reduce food waste and protect valuable groceries. Adjustable legs make placement easier on uneven floors, while the removable basket keeps frequently used items organized and within reach. Combining storage capacity, convenience, and adaptable operation, the Midea MERC07C4BAWW Chest Freezer is a dependable solution for homeowners seeking extra cold storage space. Number 2. Hamilton HBFRF2129 Chest Freezer. The Hamilton HBFRF2129 Chest Freezer is designed for households that require substantial frozen food storage. With its spacious 21 cubic foot capacity, it offers enough room for bulk purchases, meal prep containers, frozen meats, and seasonal foods. This makes it particularly appealing for large families or anyone looking to reduce frequent grocery trips. The adjustable thermostat features 7 settings, allowing users to customize storage temperatures based on the type of food being preserved. 2 removable wire baskets help organize smaller items, preventing them from getting buried beneath larger packages. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the exterior defrost drain, which simplifies cleaning and routine upkeep. An external handle with an integrated lock provides additional security, making it useful in shared spaces or garages. The power-on indicator light offers quick confirmation that the freezer is operating correctly. Built with a durable aluminum interior liner, this model is designed for long-term performance and reliable freezing. Its combination of generous storage space, organization features, and sturdy construction makes it a strong option for high-capacity storage needs. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Compact Chest Freezer. The BLACK+DECKER Compact Chest Freezer is an excellent solution for apartments, small homes, offices, or anyone needing additional freezer space without dedicating a large area. Despite its compact footprint, the 2.0 cubic foot interior can hold up to 70 pounds of frozen food, providing ample room for meats, meal prep containers, vegetables, and desserts. Its size makes it easy to place in kitchens, laundry rooms, dorms, or garages, while still delivering dependable storage capacity. A removable basket helps keep smaller items organized and accessible, reducing the time spent searching through frozen contents. The external mechanical temperature control allows users to make quick adjustments without opening the lid, helping maintain consistent internal temperatures. The indicator light provides a simple visual confirmation that the freezer is running properly. Maintenance is also convenient thanks to the manual defrost system and easy access drain. For shoppers seeking an affordable, space-saving freezer with straightforward controls and reliable performance, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Chest Freezer offers excellent value and practicality. Number 4. FRIGIDAIRE EFRF5003 Chest Freezer. The FRIGIDAIRE EFRF5003 Chest Freezer combines practical storage capacity with user-friendly features, making it a solid addition to many households. Its 5.0 cubic foot interior provides enough room for frozen foods, meal prep containers, meats, vegetables, and other essentials, while maintaining a manageable size that fits comfortably in garages, basements, or utility rooms. The adjustable thermostat includes 7 temperature settings, allowing users to select the ideal cooling level for different storage needs. A removable wire basket enhances organization by keeping smaller items visible and easy to access. Routine maintenance is simplified through the exterior defrost drain, which helps make cleaning quicker and less messy. The power-on indicator light allows users to confirm operation at a glance, offering additional peace of mind. Its balance of storage space, convenience, and straightforward controls makes the FRIGIDAIRE EFRF5003 a practical choice for anyone needing reliable supplemental freezer capacity.
Number 5. Kismile Compact Chest Freezer. The Kismile Compact Chest Freezer offers an appealing mix of storage capacity, efficiency, and convenience for households needing dependable frozen food storage. Its 7-grade temperature control system allows users to fine-tune cooling performance based on the items being stored, ranging from everyday frozen foods to temperature-sensitive products such as breast milk. The balanced hinge-style lid remains open between 45 and 90 degrees, making loading and unloading easier without requiring users to hold the door. 3 hanging wire baskets improve organization by keeping smaller items visible and accessible, reducing clutter inside the main storage compartment. Its ability to adapt to varying environmental conditions also makes it a practical option for garages. With generous storage space, energy-efficient operation, and thoughtful organization features, the Kismile Compact Chest Freezer delivers strong, everyday functionality. That wraps up our list of the best chest freezer for garage options available today. Whether you need compact storage for everyday essentials or a large capacity unit for bulk food preservation, there's a model to match your needs. Consider capacity, temperature performance, and organization features before choosing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links below for more details.